ready to unlock a whole new level of automation by tapping into the power of real-time data exchange. Today, we're diving deep into Webhooks by Zapier, your secret weapon for connecting with virtually any application that supports them. First, let's explore using webhooks as a trigger. This means your Zap will activate whenever your chosen app sends data to a specific webhook URL provided by Zapier. To set this up, start by creating a new Zap and select Webhooks by Zapier as your trigger app. You'll see options like Catch Hook, Catch Raw Hook, and Catch Raw Hook with pass-through. Catch Hook is the most common, used for standard data formats. Catch Raw Hook is for, you guessed it, raw data. After you pick, Zapier will give you a unique URL. Copy this URL. This is where your external app needs to send its data. Now, head over to the application you want to connect and configure it to send webhook data to this URL. Every app is different, so consult its documentation, but usually there's a settings area where you can add your webhook URL. Back in Zapier, click Test Trigger to see if data is flowing correctly. If Zapier receives the data successfully, you're good to go. Webhooks also work as actions. This allows your Zap to send data to another application via webhook URL. Choose Webhooks by Zapier as your action app, and select an event such as post, get, patch, or delete. These correspond to different HTTP methods. Here, you'll configure the details of your request. You'll need the target application's webhook URL, and you can customize the data sent in the payload section, including headers. Webhooks are a powerful way to connect diverse systems and build truly advanced automations. They empower you to create event-driven workflows that respond instantly to changes in other applications. Happy zapping!